Viewers live, Super Colossus, walk into snow blizzard, Woking Town weather forecast UK 24. If you like this video, please have thumbs up. Let's on the screen right now. Time at the moment in distance to the moment. This evening is 19:07 p.m. in the evening. In Arrow, that's approximately 7 minutes past 7 p.m. in the evening, and it is January the 8th, 24, guys. It is the evening on January the 8th right now. Walking to Woking Town to the snow blizzard. You can see the snowflakes coming down from the sky right now. So walking on the Basingstoke Canal straight into Woking Town. We'll go for a run, sorry. It's so cold. Got a bike coming up this way by the looks of it. It's actually an electric scooter. It's actually legal on the road, but it is along the canal path. There we go. Wow. We're in town now, Woking more or less. I hope you like this beautiful, freezing cold walk into snow blizzard scenery across Woking Town locally. It's coming and going. Please subscribe to my channel on Signage Evans. May the force be with you always. Quite my spot, the needs and the money. That way, the needs, if you listen, my friend Sparky and Jimbo. I'm nice to Friday feeling. Surrey Hills ratio, every Friday, 3 to 5 p.m. an hour long, just like 50, 17. And this is my friend Shane, live every Friday on the Surrey Hills Race Show at 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Shane for the Year's Race Day Show. And this is my friend John on the Lara Show every Sunday, live as well, at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Lara Show on the Woking Race Day Show every Sunday at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Hope you like to as I'm walking to Woking Town this evening in the snow blizzard. This is quite intense across Woking Town right now. Still going on. Please subscribe to my channel and Signage Evans with the force be with you always. Thanks for watching this video, guys. As we go places, we travel places. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel, Signage Evans. Still snowy. Bye everyone. I'll be happy. We're in town at Woking right now. There it is. Bye.